Everyone, again, it's I Heart the 90s Project Pan. I'm so excited, but yeah, let's get to it. So I have 3 prompts that I want to keep in, and the rest just move it along. The ones I want to keep in is the baby lips. I think I want to keep this in a little bit longer. I have been using this every day as I can remember, so I want to keep this in because it's moisturizing in the lips. And yeah. Next is the Burt's Bees. I'm at this line now, and I kind of want to finish this. This is like a really old product I want to finish. It's like a tinted moisturizer / foundation. Really light. I do have to pack this like with an actual foundation with a little bit more coverage, but yeah. And then I want to keep my Britney Spears perfume in, which is pretty nice underneath. Those are the products I want to keep in. I did have the Cheek Dew, which is at this line. I can barely see it. It's at the last yellow line. I want to take a break on this Cheek Dew Serum Blush. I'm gonna take a break on this Maybelline. This is Lasting Drama Light Liner, and it looks like this. It's one of these type. It is at the second line, so I'm gonna rotate those. Next is the liquid white eyeliner, which looks like this from ColourPop. I want to take a break from that one. And then the Juvia's Place Brows, I want to take a break from this one as well. And the last product is the palette. I only use this once, and I was gonna keep using this shade right here, but again, I'm gonna rotate all my palettes out of my project pan so I can freely use my palettes. So I like that better than just you have to use this palette. No, I want to take a break. I'm taking a break with my Pan That palette this year and just freely use my projects. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. So I'm leaving in 3. So I have to roll in 8. So I have 1 through 40. I have 3. And that was again, let's see if I can find it. 3 was like a Latino brand. All I know is palettes that I have, so I'll be rolling in a different project, and that is number 6. That will be Baby One More Time, a product from a brand you used in high school. Literally, I'm gonna have to make a brand up because I'd have to put perfume because that's all I had. Yeah, that would have to be a perfume. I didn't really wear makeup right in high school, probably like a little bit, but like not a certain brand. So 18 is Beverly Hills 90210. Most expensive product, that's one. Okay, so we have 18. Generate to 17. We have Buffy the Vampire Slayer, mythical creature themed. I'm gonna have to find that product. 35 is little black dress, black product packaging. That'll be easy. 35. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, one more. And that was 6. We just did 6. So 35, we just did that. 29 is, oops. 29. COWABUNGA beach theme product 29. Okay, I could do that. Be right back. Okay, I remembered when I went back to high school, tried to finish high school, but didn't again. I did wear e.l.f. products, so I think this e.l.f. lip gloss, because I did wear lip gloss in high school as well, so I think this would be perfect to put our, I'm gonna have 5 usage each on each product. That would be like the ideal, because this is a lot and it's brand new, so I think 5 would be nice on that one. Next is 18. We have, again, oh, come on, Beverly Hills 90210, an expensive product. Again, 5 usage. I'm gonna use this Juicy Couture. I have not worn this one yet, so it's brand new. Got this for Christmas from John, so 5 usage would be nice. It's brand new, so. Next is 17. We have Buffy the Vampire Slayer. All I could think of is like Nightmare Before Christmas products or the Powerpuff Girls. So I thought this would be kind of perfect. This Jelly Much Shadow in Barrow, his name, so hopefully it's still good. I haven't worn this since I got it, and I only use like the cap of it. It's a pretty shade. I definitely want to use this at least 5 times, hopefully more, because I tend to forget these. So yeah, 5 times would be nice to use that Jelly Mud shadow. And then I'm rolling into eyeliners, and they're both blue. So 35 is black dress. I thought, you know, the only thing I thought was eyeliner so far. So I want to use this electric blue eyeliner from Illuminati. And then 29 was the COWABUNGA beach theme. So I went with blue again. I thought this would be nice. Since we are going into spring soon, I want to be in that spring mood where I can wear blue eyeliner underneath the eyes. So I have an option of black or blue in my project pan. So I thought that would be great. So I wanted to at least get 5 usage each on each of these items. I think that would be a perfect goal for this. And then trying to have 3 products, at least 2 of them be panned out within the year, and then the baby lips, we'll see how long that's gonna take. So yeah, thank you for watching. This is the project pan. I heart the 90s. Bye for now.